Today I'm going to explain about my Smart India Hackathon 2024 PPT. So our chosen topic is based on smart automation theme in the software domain, and I am representing my team Dynamic Devs, and we are going to solve a problem. Basically, we have to develop an artificial intelligence model for electricity demand projection, including peak demand for Delhi power system. So this is our rough roadmap, like what challenges we are tackling, what is the proposed solution, what's unique with our model, and this is a rough flowchart. This is the technical approach. So first, we have to collect the data sets, like weather data, historical data, holiday event, etc. Then we are going to process and store it. Then we are going to train, choose our model, hypertune it. Then we are going to predict and test our model. Then if it's accurate, then we are going to visualize it and deploy it through web. But if it's less accurate, then we are again going to train and develop it so that accuracy can be improved. These are some tech stacks, like we are going to use Python and some libraries like Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, etc., Flask, Tailwind, CSS, React, etc., etc. Here is our prototyping. We will go through it once we are finished with the PPT. This is a rough feasibility and viability of our idea, like data availability and quality. So that makes our idea very feasible. And some challenges are there, and strategies to overcome it is also present. Here are some impacts and benefits. So it basically impacts on three sectors like energy providers, grid operators, and consumers. And some benefits are there like customer satisfaction, reliability of power, cost savings, etc. And some research links are available, which we have gone through. So let's just move on to our prototype model. So yeah, this is our prototype model. So basically, in the backend, there is whole code and a pipeline is being created, and you can basically choose a dataset from here, and upon choosing, your model will be trained upon it, and it can predict after training uh, if you provide it with certain parameters. So like this is our dataset preview, and this is some graph which is showing electricity consumption over time. This is the correlation heat map, like our consumption is highly correlated with which element. So this is basically showing that you can filter the date from here. Basically, the data set you can download it also, and then this is the graphical representation of our trained model based on training data set. So the accuracy comes out to be 93.12%, and this is a representation of our trained model based on testing data set. You can see the graph, and the accuracy comes out to be 87.63%. And this is our the main app, the electricity model predictor. So you can tweak temperature, relative humidity, wind speed, pressure, and it will basically provide you with the consumption. Like click predict. So it's giving 2949.43 units. If you can basically change temperature and other parameters, then the value will basically vary. Like let's say 870 is high, yes, and predict. So yeah, you can see as the temperature and increases, pressure decreases, the electricity demand increases. So this is basically our model, and yeah, so that's it.